Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord audio not working. First, open Discord on your computer. Click on the settings icon next to your username at the bottom left. Go to Voice and Video. Make sure the correct input device is selected for your microphone and the correct output device is selected for your speakers or headphones. If you see multiple devices, choose the one you are using right now. Next, check the input mode. If push to talk is enabled, this can stop your audio from working. Change the input mode to voice activity. After doing this, speak again and see if the input bar moves. If the audio is still not working, scroll up in the settings menu and click on debugging. After that, click on Reset Voice and Video Settings. Confirm the reset. This will restore all voice and video settings to default. After the reset, go back to Voice and Video and select your input and output device again. If this does not fix the problem, open Windows Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on and apps are allowed to use the microphone. Also, check that Discord is allowed. Now, right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Output, select the correct speakers or headphones. Under Input, select the correct microphone and check for input activity. Go back to Discord and test your audio again. These steps usually fix Discord audio issues. Thanks for watching.